Good morning, class. Today we are going to look at the exponential equation of 4 to the power of y minus 2 to the power of y is equal to 1. 4 is equal to 2 times 2, and which is equal to 2 squared. So 4 will be replaced with 2 squared, and 4 to the power of y will be represented by 2 squared to the power of y minus 2 to the y is equal to 1. And then we can rotate the exponents for 2 squared power of y to 2 to the power of y, and then raised to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of y is equal to 1. Now we need to let x equal 2 to the power of y. Again, please let x equal to 2 to the power of y as an arbitrary variable. So now we will obtain x squared minus x equals to 1, in which we can be written in the form of an equivalent statement representing x to the power of 2 minus 1x equals to 1. Then we want to subtract 1 from both sides to set the equation equal to 0. So now we have x squared minus 1x minus 1 equals to 0. And this equation can be rewritten as 1x squared minus 1x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we need to explore solving this equation with the quadratic formula. A will be 1, B will equal negative 1, and C will equal negative 1. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So x is equal to negative of a negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 1, all divided by 2 times 1, which breaks down to x equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. And now we can split the two solutions apart and state x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 equals 2. The equation is not done here. We have to go back to what we substituted x for in the form of 2 to the y is now equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and 2 to the power of y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So 2 to the power of y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and 2 to the power of y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So we bring the power of y down and place a log in between the y and the 2 to be stated as y log 2, and then add a log on the other side of the equation to get log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this can be rewritten as, when you have a log with division, that can be rewritten with subtraction. So y log 2 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 minus log 2. So now we could divide everything by log 2 and obtain the equation of y is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by log 2 minus 1. Now let's see if the other solution works like this as well. Now let's visit 2 to the power of y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now something lets me know to simplify what's contained in the parentheses with the log. So in the calculator, we want to put 1 minus square root of 5 and get that solution. And we notice that it's going to equal negative 1.236067977, and then divide that by 2. When you have a negative value contained within a logarithm, it becomes an extraneous solution. So this solution is not real. So the only solution to the problem is y is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by log of 2 minus 1. If you need online math tutoring, text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLB fan. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLB fan. Now let's look at this all together and look at all the steps we had to go through to get to the real solution. That is why knowing mathematical formulas can put people at ease and make math more fun to learn. Thank you so much, and let's work together and make math fun. Please refer students that need help to my channel and contact me for services. Thank you so much.